right, everybody having a good time? We've got a very, very special show for you tonight. First of its kind in Bal Harbour.
Good evening, everybody. Happy 4th. Enjoy the show and have a great evening.